Hey guys, I wanted to record a quick tutorial video to show you how I actually record my videos from scratch. So right now I'm using Loom. I'm using Loom, the desktop app, and I'm using, as I said, I'm using Loom, the desktop app, and I'll go ahead and show you a previous video that I recorded. So once you record with the Loom desktop app, you can set the settings to 4K, by the way, so you can record it up to 4K. I'm then going to a previous video that I've recorded, and as you can see, you're trading perpetuals on Jupyter. So go ahead now and go to download captions, because it gives you the captions, as well as download video. So downloading the video, as you can see, I'll just give that a second to download. So that they're both downloaded. So now what I'll do is I'll jump over to Kapwing, upload files here. So I'll upload trading perpetuals on Jupyter, as you can see here. We'll let it upload. Videos uploaded here. I'll now go to a couple of options that it gives me, which is, and let me just move this out of the way. So as you can see, it's uploaded in here. We'll go to now Subtitles, upload your SRT file. We've got our SRT file here. Upload the SRT file. As you can see, it's pretty cool. Now if I just play it, playback. So as you can see, it does make some, of course, spelling errors. So I'll just go ahead and quickly correct that per crypto. And it's Jupyter. So I need to go ahead and change Jupyter a couple of times. But generally speaking, you can, of course, just decide to not change anything and post it as is. Things. So as you can see, I'm just going through and making sure that's all done. So brilliant. So now what I'll do is I'll do the color yellow, so it matches our brand. So we've got Montserrat, which is the font that we're using, so that's cool. That could work. We'll go to then the size, line height. We'll go to font, color, background. We'll go to font. Here we go, 30. We'll change that to 18. And I think that maybe what we'll do is give it something more professional in terms of the font. Rotate alternating lines. Nope, we don't want to do that. So I'm just playing with some of these elements of it right now, as you can see. But I think that it's a pretty cool tool. Let's just give it a choice. So we'll go with Nunato. Nunato looks good. So there you go. And then now, in terms of the next step, we'll just go ahead and make that even smaller, which is quite cool. Slap that in the middle. And now we've got that done, what you can also do is go to audio, or go to, let's have a look, we've got subtitles. I'm just having a look at some of the other features that we've got on here just so we get a sense of it. We go to visuals, animal architecture, business, layers, templates, plugins. So I'm just having a look at what's actually available in terms of options. Trim and transcript, auto edit, subtitles. So we don't want to do any of that. So this is pretty much all done. And then font, color, background, border, animations, transitions, and then see if there's more, shapes, emojis, sound effects, record, plugins, templates, transitions, visuals, audio, text to speech, dub voice, clone voice, AI voice. We don't want that. Text only, translate. So look, I think that we're good to go, to be honest with you. So now all we need to do is hit export project, which is MP4, compression level, estimated output size. That's fine, we'll do 392, we'll do 4K, and then, it's an MP4 file at export, so we'll go ahead and export as MP4, and look, as you can see, it's beginning to export now, so that's basically the video. I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll open the video up once again once it's finished downloading. So, the video's just finished downloading, or exporting rather, so let's just go ahead and download it, and take just a second to download. Let's go ahead and take a look at it, see what the output looks like. So this is the original. So that was the, well, I said it's the original, looked like it was edited because the text was in there. Let's just have a look at the new one. Perfect. So guys, there you go. I'll go ahead and I'll upload that. But the next thing that I'll do is, and I probably need to build something out in ChatGPT, so I'll just share that with you now so you've got a sense of it. Since I'm going to be recording a lot of these videos in Loom, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and build a bot for YouTube. So I'll go over to my GPTs, and in here, and so on. I could go ahead and just have a look at the GPT store to see if I can explore GPTs. Let's go to YouTube transcript. See if someone's already built something. Oh, I'm not finding anything quickly, so I'll go in and hit that whilst I'm waiting. And I'll show you how I build a GPT from scratch. So, I am going to be giving you an SRT file that will be from a video that I recorded. I want you, based on the SRT file, give me a optimized YouTube description based on the latest standards, 12 for SEO with whatever appropriate hashtags you think are relevant. Make sure it references the 2 URLs I'm going to give you, where it's for more information about us, head over to book a call, but head over to pearllemoncrypto.com to join our free Telegram community. Head over to this Telegram link. So I'll give you those 2 links right now, but I want you to make an optimized direct response style piece of copy for YouTube descriptions that will work really well and help us rank within YouTube based upon an SRT file. And I'll share with you also an example of an SRT file that you'll get as well, so you know what to expect. So do that there. So that's that part there. So now what I'll do is I'll head over to Telegram, as well as head over to pearllemoncrypto.com. So this is just me going ahead and getting set up for the future, if you will, so that moving forward, we really need to sort out our logo. And that's, this is a site that's still being built. As you can see, there's challenges with it, so I'll get that sorted moving forward. But what we'll do is, the 2 URLs, and we'll go to the Telegram community as well. So we go to Telegram or chat. Wonder how you find my actual group in here, but go into Pearl Lemon Crypto, pin that. There you go. So that's that. Also 2 descriptions. So we'll do that, and then we'll also give it from the knowledge base some trading perpetuals on Jupiter. There you go. So there's 2 SRT files that it can riff off of, which is great. Go into here. So works. Unknown error occurred. Not sure what that is, if that's going to mean that it can't save, but let's just go ahead and create it. This is how you create a custom GPT store. So go ahead and publishing it, so if you want it, it's available. Of course, your changes can be published. So let's call it Video Description Optimizer instead. So we do that because that will fix it and make it Pearl Lemon Yellow branded. Just give it a second to generate. As you can see, guys, once this stuff is built, you can then go ahead and plug and play it, and there you go. Great. Y for YouTube. I'll just pause this while it loads. We'll go ahead and try and create it again. See if it saves now to the productivity. I'll pause it again while I wait. Okay, no, here we go. So GPT published. Update is pending. Video description optimizer. Let's just see. Share. I think it is saved in the GPT store, isn't it? Give it a second just to confirm it's saved there. Great, so now what we'll do is we'll give it a go. Trading perpetuals on Jupiter. Dump it in here and let's have a look at what quality of description it produces. Anyhow, so here we go, guys. Finally, this is the optimized SRT file. Put that into here. That's the prompt. Okay. Do it the other way around. Put that into there. Off we go, and let's see what result it produces. Okay. So sometimes maybe it will error. So what you do then is let's just see if we can open up the Chrome store. Do that, pop that into here, do that there, and what we probably need to do actually is also in the bot I also want you to provide timestamps based upon the transcript that we upload or copy paste into the actual description. Let's go ahead and do that. So this is of course me building a GPT live from scratch, guys. To get the process right, so in some senses you can skip past this bit, but this is the just so that they're clickable within YouTube so people can immediately jump to the section. Go ahead and do that. Perfect. Okay, great. So now let's just go ahead again and update. It's updating automatically. So guys, just skip ahead some of these parts. This is me building live, as you can see. We're trying to put together a process that will be relatively straightforward. So update's pending. Okay, we'll go ahead and click update. Let's see if we can go ahead and blow my nose. Apologise. See if this will work. But I've built out loads of GPTs, and I'll probably do some insights in that. So access is invite only, which I don't know why. I want to make it publishable. So share anyone. Yeah, save that. So you need to watch out for the save settings sometimes, because it will do stuff like this and it will just come in the way fundamentally of what it is you're trying to do. Okay, fine. So sharing settings updated. It's updating again. So I'll share the link to this GPT generator in the bottom as well. So we'll take a look at it. Copy link. So we'll go ahead now and give it another go. Oh. Get this thing to load. So let's just see if it does it from scratch. Maybe I have problems reading the file. Okay, it does. I've got the file here, it's fine. Do that. So let's have a look now at what it produces. Cool, not bad at all, and that is a rather large meta transcription. So we've got the description now, so what I do now is go over to YouTube and get this thing basically published, to be honest with you. So as you can see, it does take a moment, but we've now got a process and that's pretty straightforward. So we'll go ahead now and upload the video that we imported. So that was crypto videos, so that would be the new one. So rename that to Trade Perps on Jupiter. We'll go ahead and upload that. Go ahead with that. Okay, so need to make external links clickable. So I'll go ahead and sort that out. It's a new channel. Anyway, I need to talk to the team who set the channel up to get that sorted. But in any event, we'll now then go to, no, it's not made for kids. Go next, go next, go next, go public, and hey presto, it's a little bit long-winded, but there you go. That's now how I basically follow a full process to generate and record videos that are in 4K for crypto. So, and there you go. It goes all the way up to 4K. There you have it, guys. Thank you. And subscribe.